There we go. I'm going to give you a bit of a room tour. This is slightly different to the one we had previously, but yeah, it's still really good for the price. It's quite large. I'm just going to move my coat and everything here. Yeah, so here we are. Get a nice view with this as well. Not a bad old view of Asoke. So if you want to have your tea, coffee, anything you want to get from the... hasn't got the kitchen though. I mean, the other place, I'm a little bit confused to be fair. But really, when you think about the price, did really well on the price. And it's not as if they're going to shove us in a different room at all. Because, yeah, for the price, looking at in UK money, you're looking at around about sort of £20 to stay somewhere like this, you know. So it's not bad, is it, for £20? And Kung will soon be arriving, so that's going to be really, really good. So anyway, I'm going to leave it here. That's the room tour. Slightly different to the apartment tour that I thought I was going to be doing, but still very good on the price.